memecoins are going absolutely crazy. Sandog got launched just 5 days ago and it's already at $260 million market cap. And TRON got massive surge in the last 7 days, over 25%. And in comparison, the rest of the market isn't doing that great. And TRON has been out for a very long time. And this meme coin rally just make this chain a big opportunity if you are very early like we are right now. So today I will show you everything you need to know to get on that meme coin trend on TRON. I will show you how to get a wallet, how to buy meme coins on SunPump, which is pump fund but on TRON, and I will also show you how to make this whole process easier by using TRON trading bot. So stick around because I will show you everything step by step. So first of all, you have to get yourself some TRON. Obviously you can buy it on most major exchanges, and it doesn't matter if you're going to use centralized or decentralized exchange, you can buy TRON anywhere. It's been out for a very, very long time, so you shouldn't have a problem with it. And obviously you need to have a TRON wallet. You can use TRON link, for example. I will leave all the links in the description down below, so you don't have to search for it yourself. And always make sure that you are using the legit website for everything I'm about to show you, because you don't want to get scammed, okay? So TRON link, you can get it on your phone or you can get it in the form of an extension. And here is a meme coin I bought and I'm going to show you it in just a second. However, right now, if you want to install this extension, just go here to download the Chrome extension. Click here to go to the extension, Chrome web browser or Edge add-ons. Click here, click up to Chrome and it's done. Obviously setting up the wallet is very straightforward. You just click the extension, click new wallet, write down your recovery phrase on a piece of paper, and then you will access your wallet. And I don't want to show you my main wallet because it's going to show the address. However, as you can see, I bought some meme coins today at 8 AM. Right now it's almost 11 and I bought Beard Dog. And as you can see, it's completely crazy right now on TRON. This meme coin was launched on 6 AM and it got to over $7 million market cap in 4 hours. And if you go to the most popular meme coins on TRON, as you can see, the trending meme coins, crazy gains. So there's a lot of opportunity out there. Obviously not a financial advice, you have to make sure that you understand it and you don't invest too much if you can't afford to lose it. Most of these meme coins started on the site called SunPump. Obviously you will get the link in the description, and it works basically the same as every launchpad for meme coins. You can come here, create your own, and the most important thing is that you can buy those meme coins. So for example, if you want to buy something, all you have to do is scroll for the interesting meme, click here, you just connect your wallet, specify the amount of TRON you want to use, click buy, and that's it. Selling, it's also the same. If the coin didn't migrate to Sun.io, you can still trade it in here. And meme coins on SunSwap is very straightforward. All you have to do is go to the swanswap.com, link in description, and in here you have to connect your wallet and then specify the token that you want to buy. You can find the coin address inside of Dex Screener by clicking right here. Or if you want to buy something that was listed on SunPump and is already available on swaps, you can find the contract address here. So let's get back to SunSwap. You have to select the token and you search by the contract address. You add new coin and now you can buy it. And the important thing is that you may want to increase the slippage tolerance if the coin is like very popular and trending on Dex Screener, because it's possible that your transaction will fail. And make sure that you leave some TRON in your wallet for fees, because fees on TRON can be very high. I lost overall 100 TRON while just trying to buy this token because all of my transaction got declined because I didn't have enough every single time for the fees. So this site is saying that you should have at least 80. For my transaction, the fee was around 15 to 20, but make sure you have more TRON just in case your transaction gets declined, because you will lose that fee and the rest will be returned to your account. So once you buy your tokens, you will have to add them manually to the list on TRON because it's not always visible. You just click the plus and here you paste the contract address, and I already did that, and you'll see that it's finally displaying. The price isn't correct, but it doesn't really matter. And now I'm going to show you how you can buy memes with TRON TradeBot. And this TradeBot is very good because it allows you to buy the meme coins that are just launching on Sunpump and the ones that are already migrated. So again, how to start is very straightforward. Go to the link in the description, go to menu, click start, and you will see this window. Obviously, the first thing you have to do is use wallet and top up this wallet with TRON so you can actually trade. Once you deposit your TRON to this wallet, you can go back and click buy. All you need to do right now is to paste the coin address, make sure that everything is correct. You can double check by going from Dex Screener, pasting the contract address, and right here you can buy just how you can specify how much TRON you want to use. And I cannot buy it because I'm out of TRON right now. However, just select the amount. If it asks you to confirm the transaction, confirm, and wait until it is completed. And if it didn't go through, you can always go to settings and adjust the slippage. It's set by default to 10%, which should be enough. However, with some meme coins, you may have seen problems that the slippage is too low and your transactions are getting declined. And also remember that you have to have some spare TRON for any fees. And inside the configuration, you can also set your quick buy buttons. So for example, if you like to trade higher amounts of TRON or lower, you can customize the amounts right here. And for selling, it's also very straightforward. Just go start, sell and manage. No open positions, but if I had any open positions, you would have to choose the meme coin that you want to sell, and the window would be very similar to the one that you got while you want to buy the tokens. You just specify the amount or percentages that you want to sell, and that's it. And also important thing, you shouldn't put all of your funds on the trading bots. And if you want to withdraw the funds to your main wallet, all you have to do is go to wallet, and as you can see, you cannot withdraw meme coins themselves, you can only withdraw TRON. So you have two options. You either sell all your meme coins and then withdraw it to TRON, or you export private keys and then go to like TRON link, import this wallet from your bot, and then you can manage your meme coins there and send them to a different wallet if you want to store them because they are your long-term investments. That would be it for this video. I hope I showed you everything that you need to know. If you have any other questions, make sure to leave them in the comments. I will get back to you as soon as possible. And obviously those are meme coins. You're not guaranteed that you are going to make money. You can lose everything. You can download the wrong wallet provider by mistake and get your funds stolen. So always be careful, do your own research before investing anything. With this video, leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.